My name is Adam Luck, and I am the CEO at CityCare. CityCare was founded in 1996, and we have a couple different programs. We have a supportive communities program where we have 115 units of permanent supportive housing for individuals who are transitioning out of homelessness. And then we also have the Whiz Kids program, which is a faith-based mentoring and literacy tutoring program. We have 38 sites across the city, and we serve about 800 kids a week through that program. And then we also have a homeless services program where we recently just opened Oklahoma City's only low-barrier night shelter, and we serve about 140 people there a night. This money is critical to helping us keep the doors open and continue the excellent services that we have there to welcome in people who really don't have anywhere else to go. And they don't have to have an ID, they don't have to enroll in a program, they don't have to be sober, they can bring their pets with them and whatever belongings they have. So it's going to help us serve the most vulnerable in our city. We have a couple different things that we're focusing on right now. So one is working on transportation infrastructure for the folks who are coming to the night shelter and when they leave in the morning. The meal program, so we're transitioning to offering meals to everybody each night. We've also got the pet kennel, where we've got 15 pet kennels that we're always needing food for those animals. And then we've also got 4 family suites where we offer a lot of different services for those families and connecting them and hopefully making their experience of homelessness as brief as possible. We couldn't do this work by ourselves, so we're so grateful for partners like Tabor who come alongside us, offering what they can to help us meet this need in Oklahoma City. Every volunteer, every dollar makes a huge difference for us in meeting the need that we're trying to meet in Oklahoma City. So we know that we are implementing best practices and we are the subject matter experts, so we can do the programs, but we also know that it's not an issue that belongs to just us. We're just a nonprofit. We believe it's a community issue that deserves a community response, and we're so grateful that Tabor is a part of that community response.